Us how you pick up the chickens.
For the little ones, you hold them kind of like a sandwich, but don't grab their feet. And for the big ones, you hold them kind of like a football.
Like a football? Like how? Like under
like
your
that.
arm like
Yeah.
that? But
Yeah.
you don't touch the feet. And how do you pick up the little ones?
Kind of like
Kind of like that. Just put your hand around them like that, and don't touch their little feet. They're like kick their little legs, and it's just easier if you don't touch their feet.
make sure you get their wings.
Oh yeah, and when you put your hands around the chicken like this, make sure that you got its wing, like so. John Paul be the chicken. John Paul be the chicken. So okay, so I would get the chicken like that. I would get the chicken like that, like that, with my hand around the hole, so if its wing doesn't like go up and go all crazy. Okay.